Hi friends, today we'll examine common mistakes when exchanging cryptocurrencies and how to avoid blocking due to AML checks. What is an AML check? Automatic analysis of transactions for suspicious activity, verification of the source of funds, compliance monitoring of transactions with legislation, how to avoid blocking, don't split large amounts into small transfers, this is the main trigger for blocking, use one wallet for sending funds, multiple addresses raise suspicions. Check addresses for connections to mixers and darknet through special services. What to do if your transaction gets blocked anyway? Stay calm. Most checks are completed within 24 hours. Prepare documents about the origin of funds if required. Contact SwapGate support. We'll help expedite the verification. At SwapGate, we use smart AML algorithms that minimize false positives while maintaining a high level of security for all users.